In this lecture, we're going to show how to work with mouse in SOLIDWORKS. So we're going to show some mouse movements. But first we have to open our document file. So let's go here to open. And let's choose mouse movements. Double click. And this is our part. So now we're going to show some mouse techniques in SOLIDWORKS. If we want to zoom in and zoom out, you can use a scroll wheel. So if you're moving your scroll wheel to one direction or another, you can see that you go zoom in or zoom out. You can try it like this. Now if you point your mouse here, then your focus is on the left side. Then you have zoom in and zoom out like this. Or if you point your mouse here, like this. So wherever you point your mouse, then you're gonna have zoom in and zoom out to that direction, to that point. And now for example, if your part completely disappears from the screen like this, you can just simply click here to zoom to fit. Or you can just press F key, like this. And now your part is back. If you want to rotate your part, you have to press scroll wheel. So if you press scroll wheel and you hold scroll wheel, then you can move your mouse and you can rotate your part in the 3D space, like this. If you want to select some face of the part, you can just go to that face and you can just left click. Or if you want to select an edge, you can just go to the part, and when you hover mouse to the edge, you can see the orange color, and now you can select, and now it's blue color, if you can see. As well, you can select vertex. You can go here, like this, and you can select this point on the vertex. If you want to select multiple faces, you can click on this face, hold Ctrl, click on this face. As well, you can hold Ctrl and click on the edge. Now select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Now if you rotate your model, you can see that only those three faces are selected. Those three faces here are not selected. If you want to unselect them, you can just click here, like this. As well, if you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can use this tool here, zoom to area. So let's choose this one. And for example, we want to zoom this vertex here. So you can just press and drag your mouse like this. And now we have a zoom here. If you want to zoom in more, let's go in like this. If you want to get zoom out, you can also use a scroll wheel like this. So it's up to you how you're going to use zoom in or zoom out. And those are some mouse techniques that you must know while you're working in SOLIDWORKS.